How to fix hotspot not working issue. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix hotspot not working issue. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Restart your device. Sometimes simply restarting your phone can resolve connectivity issues. For that, you can hold on the power button on your device. Select the restart icon, and then once you do that, the issue will be resolved. If not, you can go for the other step. Simply, you have to update your software. Ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. Outdated software may cause issue with the hotspot. For that, open settings on your device. Now tap search bar and type in update and check for the software update. So simply wait patiently until every options get loaded here. Tap software update, and if there is any updates available, download and install it to the latest version. The third step you can follow is simply you can check for the data connection. Ensure you have a strong data connection like 3G, 4G or 5G. If mobile data signal is weak, hotspot may not function properly. For that, you can turn airplane mode on and off to reset the cellular connection. For that, again, open settings. You need to select the option of connection and sharing and toggle the button on for airplane mode for a while and toggle it off again. So, doing so, you have to check whether your issue really resolved or not. If not, then you can easily try a different device, like trying connecting a different device to the hotspot to see if the issue is with the device trying to connect or the hotspot itself. You can disable the power saving features, or you can check the maximum connections. So following all the steps, you can fix the Android hotspot not working issue. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.